Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Faraja knot. That's your word for the day. That's the Swahili word for comfort. Let's get started. Left side at the belt line as usual. Obviously just one tie in this one. We're going to come in, we're going to put in a dimple, bring it over to the center. We're going to come around like this, and then we're going to do one cylinder like this. Come around like that, and then we're just going to come down like this. Alright, so that's our base right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around like so on the opposite side, which is my right side. But we're going to fold it up like that, come down like so. So we have this so far. I'm going to come back the opposite way. It's not folded or anything, it's regular. And I'm going to come like this, and I'm going to leave this open like this. So right now this tie wants to naturally fold down like this, so I'm going to follow that, fold like that to where we have this here. So I'm just going to literally just kind of bring it in like that to where we look like this. And we're going to come back around to where we kind of have that shape there. And then I'm going to keep this loose and then come down like this. Put my collar down. To see the picture of this knot, follow me on Simmons Essentials. Follow me on Instagram at Simmons Essentials. And also go check out Stylish Leadership on YouTube and Instagram. We've got great content over there. So here we have this. There we have that. Let me put my tie clip in place. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video for the next word of the day. Peace and God bless.